Hello viewers, today's tutorial is going to be based on this look and as well as another look. You'll be seeing in this tutorial how I transform myself to a day look, which I'm wearing right now, to a night party look. So if you're interested in watching this look, how I achieve, and the other look, then keep watching forward. Starting off using my foundation, I finished prepping my face using a kabuki brush for this. Taking a pea bit size of concealer, using my ring finger to dab it on the eye. Now setting my foundation and my concealer with some powder. Now dabbing the powder underneath my eyes, just setting it right in the place. Now taking some eyeshadow base called Unreal and applying that with my ring finger on my eyelid. This is a really pretty golden color, but not that bold for the day. Now moving on to my eyeliner. Now moving on to my mascara. Not going all dramatic with it, just a little bit, since it's a day makeup. So as you notice, my eyeliner is also not that thick, and I like my liner pretty thick. Now I'm gonna just groom my eyebrows a little bit, just filling in the gaps where I find it necessary. Moving on to my blush. Now for the lips, I'm not going to use any lipstick because I want to keep it as natural as possible. So I'm going to just be using a lip balm. So I'm finally finished with my day look. So this is the look. So how I'm going to transform a day look to a night look. So I've already applied my eyeshadow base on the day look. So that's still there. So I'm going to take a little bit of brown and just sweep it all across the eyeshadow base. It doesn't matter if it goes on the black liner as well. Now switching my brush. And I'm taking the fluffier blending brush and dipping into this lighter brown shade and applying that on my crease. So I'm switching the brush again around, dipping a little bit of black and creating a V, very thin fine line on the crease, and getting down and turning the brush around again, and I'm blending that out. So when the black kind of wear off and it's coming in the center of my eye, if you guys are going on for work or something, so you did that first look and now you're going out at night to do your party look and your foundation is kind of worn off, I'm going to apply foundation cum powder. You get this in matte. It's called Studio Fix, and I'm going to just dab that all over my face. Now I'm going to just intensify my blush. So what I would do is I would take the product in a small bag and put it in my handbag, and then that's how I get ready if I'm working out late and then going out at night. So I forgot to do a tip. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some black coal on my waterline to waken me up, because you are going to look a little bit tired after you work, and when you're going out you want your eyes to look brightened. You could also go ahead and apply some mascara if you want. Now moving on to my lipstick. I'm using a dark color because my eye is kind of subtle, so I am going to be using a darker color. So you could use a red or a dark pink, also would look good. So I'm finally done with the makeup as well, and now I'm ready to go out and party as hard as I can. Do like this video if you like the video, and do subscribe because that will make me really happy. And if you have any doubts again or questions, you can write it on my comments bar below and we will get back to you on that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.